my beauties, your girl EuniyceMari here, and we are back with another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about makeup and acne, okay? I don't know why I didn't talk about this before, because I have acne, I wear makeup, and I see girls that have acne and wear makeup, and a lot of times, just based off of how their skin is looking, I'm like, you shouldn't be wearing makeup. So I wanted to give you a tip. I want to give you 3 key tips when it comes to dealing with acne and being able to wear makeup. There are some steps you should take when wearing makeup if you have acne, all right? So let's go ahead and let's get into this, okay? So, tip 1. If you guys see me looking down, I have notes. See, I've been doing good, you guys. I've been taking notes. Like, I just want to make sure that I'm fluid and I'm not forgetting anything, but notes help your girl out a lot, okay? Like, they help me stay on track. So, all right, so first tip first, all right? If your skin is breaking out bad, and I mean you have cluster breakouts, they're red, they're inflamed, they're painful, do not wear makeup. I know, I know it's hard for a lot of people, especially if you have somewhere to be or whatever. It's hard, but let me tell you something. That does not help the acne at all. It causes the acne to get worse, and honestly, you guys, acne under makeup does not look good at all. It doesn't look good. For me, I rather have a full-on breakout with no makeup on versus have a full-on breakout and then have a foundation over it and it's all lumpy and bumpy, because foundation is supposed to smooth you out. It's supposed to look smooth you out. It's not supposed to look lumpy and bumpy, and it doesn't look good. It does not look good. So if you are having an extreme, like a bad case of a breakout, just, I know it's hard, but the best thing you can do is allow that skin to just breathe. Don't put anything on it. I mean, as far as like foundation or makeup, you could probably wear a light powder. I would say a powder. You can get away with a light powder maybe, but as far as foundation and all that, like, or even makeup in general, just don't do it. Wash your face, do your skincare regimen, treat the area, and just let your skin heal, okay? And I see it, I know you guys have seen it. I've just seen girls who have really bad breakouts and they just shove all this makeup over it, and I'm cringing on the inside, because I'm like, you don't understand that is doing way more damage than any good. And then you wonder why the next morning you wake up with 20 more pimples, because you're doing nothing but agitating that area that's already agitated. You get what I'm saying? So if you have a bad case, let your skin be, okay? It's gonna be okay. Just let it be, all right? Tip number 2. Before applying your makeup, it is very, so if let's say you have like a little bit of acne going on, maybe it's that time of the month. Oh my gosh, you guys, don't look at my nails. Y'all, can we talk about this real, just a quick minute? I cannot wait for my nail tech to be back in business. I'm in LA, nail salons and things are still closed. I cannot wait for my nail tech to come back, because I can't take it no more. Back to what we were talking about. Before you apply makeup, do your skincare routine and treat your breakouts, okay? So like, let's say you have a little bit of breakouts going on. I have a video where I will be uploading how I treat my breakouts, and you guys will see in that video I had a really bad breakout or reaction. But if you're having a breakout and it's not like a really bad like cluster cystic, but it's just like, you know, you have a breakout, you go ahead and do your regular old skincare treatment, okay? You will cleanse, you will tone, you use your serum, all of that. And you also want to throw in there your treatments, okay? So there are a few things you can do, like a spot treatment, like a tea tree and jojoba oil spot treatment. Put it on those areas. I know Burt's Bees has a blemish stick that I really like. Put that on there. There are acne dots. So they have acne dots. Acne dots are these little patches that you take and place over your pimples, and they like heal them. They also have some that you can wear under makeup that I haven't tried, but they have those. You put them on, you're able to like wear them under makeup. So maybe that'll be something I will review because I'm really curious if they work. But I have tried Acne Dots before and I like them. Like they really do just like get in there. Okay, when you peel them out, they pull out the whole like the whole nucleus of it. It's a mess. And also masks, so bentonite clay masks that really just suck up and absorb all the toxins and the impurities out the skin. So you want to throw treatments into your skincare. Okay, so you want to make sure that you are going through and giving those breakouts some TLC. Okay, taking care of them, you know, zipping them, like giving them a little bit, giving them some attention, healing them, zapping them. Okay, and then of course you can go ahead and apply your makeup. All right, now there are some foundations and powders out there that are treated with like salicylic acid and things of that sort. I've never personally tried any of them, but if you guys know any good brands, I would love to try one. So go ahead and leave it down below, let me know. But I've always wanted to know if they really worked or helped with breakouts while you're wearing foundation. And also lastly, you want to remove your makeup properly. So after wearing your makeup, what is the next best thing you can do is making sure you are thoroughly removing your makeup. Okay, don't go to sleep with your makeup on if you have breakouts or if you are acne prone, period. Don't do it. Take the time to cleanse your skin thoroughly. Do your toner, your serum, treat your skin or moisturize your skin before you go to bed. Make sure you are removing all of that makeup from the skin, cleansing it, okay, and just putting in back in the moisture, a treatment or a quick spot treatment before you go to sleep. Like just make sure you are treating those areas to keep them as clean from bacteria and to help them heal properly. Okay, so you can definitely wear makeup if you have, I would say, lesser breakouts or, you know, not severe acne, but you still want to go about it in a manner of being careful and really taking care of those areas so that you're not causing more breakouts. Okay, because then it's just going to make it worse and you're not going to be a happy camper, because I know I'm not. So the key thing is really just making sure to take so the key thing is really making sure to take care of those breakouts while you're wearing makeup. Okay, and with that being said, you guys, that is everything here. Hopefully this video was beneficial and helpful to you when it comes to makeup and acne. And with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.